Hey you guys, we're here today for an epic game of anything counts on flat ground game of skate. For those of you guys that don't know what that is a video series from the Braille Army channel. So if you want to go subscribe to that channel, go ahead and do that real quick.
This is main
Braille?
Braille?
This is main Braille.
Oh, no.
This is the big guns. We have 4 contestants, the amazingly talented Andy Anderson. Welcome back.
How's it going? Thank you.
We have Chris McNugget, who he's been here a lot, but we still love you and we're still very happy to have you here.
So I've been here a lot, but you still love me?
Yeah.
That's good.
Usually when, when you come a lot like Carlos and Nigel, we're just like. And then we have Nigel Ryan Jones. You're the best. And then Carlos over there. Anything counts a game of skate. That means literally anything you can imagine, as long as you call it, counts. You can go, hey, I'm gonna pick up my board, I'm gonna throw it over that beam right there, and then jump on it. That is my trick. That counts.
Y'all not ready.
We're gonna have Andy versus Chris versus Nigel versus Carlos. Game of skateboard. Let's Rochambeau and see who goes first. Come on, you guys are better than this. Again? Again? Oh, Nigel's first. Okay, Carlos is last. Nigel's in a lot of pain. Look what happened. I don't know what's going on with Nigel, but he seems to be in a lot of pain.
He's doing the duck flip.
Okay, so the order is Nigel, then Andy, then Chris McNug, and then Carlos. That was the hardest thing I've ever done. So I'm gonna rep this game as best as I possibly can. Honestly, I'm gonna pull you up a chair, my friend. I wore this shirt today because I knew that against Andy, you're gonna need a little bit of luck of the gab. Pop shove. I thought this was anything counts.
And that's anything.
Andy, perfectly done. Oh. McNug almost missed the shove.
You're in the way.
Uzi, if you wanna, you come right here. This is not gonna go well. Oh, he landed it. Let's go. Wow, Andy, nice. And Uzi, who do you think is gonna win?
Let me decide after this run right here.
I can't believe you even think that Andy would win this game. Okay, very nice, Nigel, very nice. Little flat ground air walk. That literally looked like he did it down a 5. That was so good. McNug did the air, didn't quite do the walk, but it's okay, I'll count it. And Carlos, exact same thing. We're off to a great start here, people. Rebate. Good. We're gonna have the most consistent, fair reffing today. Perfect. You have to call the toe touch. You have to say, I'm gonna do a 3 shove and then toe touch, and then it would count. Okay, Nigel's saying he's gonna do a half kick flip, land on the top of his board, and then flip it back over. Other words, one of his normal kick flips. He's going way too fast. Oh man, here we go.
It didn't work.
That was your one chance. You did amazing. You did amazing,
I made
sweetie.
it this far.
All right, Andy's up. Oh, that was the most awkward handshake ever, Dan. Did you get that? Half kick flip. I don't know what he was going for, but everyone else seems to know what he was going for, so I'm a little confused. Okay. Well done, Carlos. Nigel's coming in hot. Nigel is coming in real hot, and Andy is good to go. That I will count. Okay, I'll count that. No, that was fine, that was fine. We're good, we count that. We'll count that. McNug is up. And he does a full cab. Oh yeah, a little whip around at the end. Very nice, Carlos. For those of you that don't know what a full cab is, it is a fakie backside 360. That is a no comply back 360. That's a tough one right there. And Carlos has taken his first letter. I love the effort though. Oh wow, that was easy. McNug with a no comply 180. Let's see if Carlos can respond. Yes, he can. Nigel, please, 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 please.
Watch me land the one over there like it was And as soon as I go through this death zone, I die. And I'm crying all night. Don't talk to me. Don't message me. I'm out. You had it.
That was literally the best thing I've ever seen. I've never seen anyone slam that hard on a no comply. Oh. And now it's time for the Lastrosaurus Rex to take control. Ah, the heel clicker. It's the ollie heel click. Sick. I kid you guys not right now. You guys watching, this could be the most creative game of skate you'll ever see in your life. And McNug, for your letter, my friend. Do you know what that was? What is that, a no comply toe flip? That is the weirdest thing I've ever seen. That was sick. And we have, Andy has taken his first letter. Blood has been drawn. And McNug has taken his K. Nigel, are you gonna try it, my friend? We currently have Carlos. Did you get that? We have Carlos at S, we have Andy at S. McNugget is at K, and Nigel's at T. That's where the letters are right now. There's an update. Oh, wow. I don't know what that was, but I just want you guys to know that from my angle, it looked very, very cool. And now it's Nigel's trick. Dude, I want you to get real weird. I don't think my mind can comprehend this. Count it. All right, all right, all right. Walk the dog, walk, there you go, mow the lawn. Yeah. I'll count it. I'll count it. You guys, you think, was that good? That was good. That was the best thing I've ever seen in my life. The way Nigel does it, he just has like a certain steez. Back 360 power slide. That's a good one. Oh, that new wheel sound. Carlos was stressing on that one. Nigel was just constantly trying to get in Carlos's head. Every single day, there's always something that he's trying to yell at Carlos about. I get, yeah, I'll count that. Oh! That was the single sickest thing I've ever seen in my entire life. That was it. That was it. That counts. Put your hand down. Daniel, I'm very confused right now. I don't even know what the trick was. We'll just give it to everyone. Oh, yeah. Oh, that looks so fun. I'll give it to him. I'll give it to him. A Russian boneless. What in the world does that mean? Oh, he got me. He faked me out right there. What? Oh. Wow. Yeah. That's the real walk the dog. Ah, there's an A. Oh, and a letter for Nigel as well. Didn't even hear what he said. Oh, that's a good one. Carlos, you've done that one before. Let her. Wow. That's a T for Chris McNugget and a B for Nigel. Shove it 1 foot and then 1 foot shove it. Oh. That was sick. All right, he just wiped the board with that one. That is tough. That's a T for Carlos, an E for McNug, and a B-O for Nigel.
Shove it to 1 foot pivot.
Now that's what I'm talking about right there.
Oh, right in the shin.
Oh, and that's a quick A for Nigel. So right now, Nigel's at A, Carlos is at E, and McNugget is at B. This game is going downhill really fast. Okay, that's a fun one. I think Nigel can handle this one. I think he can. Oh no, Chris. Oh no. Oh no. Come on, Nigel. I got my money on you. Half cab Casper. Oh, that's insane. I will fully count that. That was sick. Uh-oh. Letter for Los Litos. That's an O for him. Nigel, you have one more try.
I got one more go. Oh, no!
Yes. That's so good. That fully counts. 100% counted. Half kickflip. Oh, that was fine. I'm just a little disgusted. Oh. Ooh. You did try. You did well. Nigel is now at. Nigel's now out. He's telling everyone that they got lucky. McNug and Carlos, they're both at A. So you're saying there's a chance? Oh no, he messed up the flat ground hard flip. Finger heel flip. Oh, still landed it. That's an R. Foot came off. Oh, what is that? Toe flip 180? How? Okay, Carlos getting a little funky with it. Defense, I'll give it to him because I'm nice. Oh, yeah, that's a fun one. Sorry, Carlos, I was trying to interfere with him. Didn't really help. Yes. Oh, Steez. Oh, no. Jeez, dude, he just popped that 4 feet. Count it. Oh, we have a K. We have a K for Andy. Yeah, one more try. One more try for Chris McNugget. Will he land it? Oh no. Oh no. You have played a valiant game, my friend.
Yeah, I don't even know why it was in this game.
Because you're good.
Oh.
You're great. and inspiring for the people. Okay. What? That's stupid. Good luck, Los Litos. Yeah. Oh, yes. Yes. Yeah. Andy missed the strawberry milkshake, so Carlos gets another chance. Oh. I don't know these guys. Oh, that's ridiculous. Oh, that's an A for Andy. Carlos only has about 47 letters left. I'll count it.
Which way do you go? Okay.
Someone almost drop kicked me in the face. E! Deal. And there's my Carlos. That's the Carlos I know. We need perfection.
You too.
What the heck was that? Oh, dang. That's a BOA. The most letters we've ever had in a game of skate. Fetty, I couldn't see from my angle. He said his toe didn't touch. Oh my gosh. It is R to R. We have the comeback of a century right here. Everything on the line. Oh no. Good. Oh. I would never would have forgiven you if you missed that, Carlos. Everyone, comment respect. All the F's. Oh, I don't think knees are supposed to bend like that. Dang. And that'll do it. A big thanks to Chris McNugget and Andy Anderson for being here today. They are a special guest, so definitely check out their YouTube channels and Instagrams. Those links will be down there. There's some videos to the left. Go ahead and check them out. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and we will see you tomorrow. You guys are the best. Aren't they? They are.